Yentai Airart Inflatable Company. We are professional in research, development, sale, and service of inflatables. We are located in Yentai City with convenient transportation access. Our factory covers an area of 1,000 square meters. With advanced sewing machine, inkjet printer, plasma cutting machine. The wonderful inflatable products we mainly supply include 1. Inflatable game products such as bouncy castles, dry and wet slides, combos, obstacles, sports game products, tunnels, moonwalks, and more. 2. Advertising inflatable products such as arches, air dancers, hot air shaped products, inflatable tents, shaped models, moving cartons, costumes, Christmas inflatable products, PVC balloons in sky, folding products, digital printing products, etc. Different kinds of materials are available. 3. Sealed inflatable products, such as Zorb balls, water walking balls, water sports game products, airflow water game products, inflatable boats, and other sealed promotional inflatable products, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have sold well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Australia, Europe, Africa. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking special inflatables for your clients, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Please feel free to contact us by emails, calls. We sincerely hope to work with you.